So today I'm going to show you how to lock a particular chat on WhatsApp, just in case you have a chat you don't want anyone to have access to, so I want to lock it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me pick up a particular chat. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the chat with P794. So to do that, you have to hold on to that chat, hold on to it. Then you see these options that are on top of your phone. Click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, you can see the option of lock chat. So you click on continue. So after that, it brings up where you need to input your passcode, and that's the passcode of your phone. Currently, you might not be able to see because the app I'm using to record this won't allow you to see my code. So I'm going to type in my code. Then immediately the chat is locked. So to get access to any chat that is locked, you always see it at the top. It's always going to be the first thing you see when you open your WhatsApp. You can see locked chat. You just click on it. It's going to ask for your passcode. You can't see it currently now because of the app I'm using to record. Then you type in your code. Then it takes you to the chats that are locked. Takes you to the chats that are locked. Then, just in case you want to take that chat away from being locked, same process. You hold on the chat. You click on the three dots. Then you click on unlock chat. Then you type in the passcode. Don't ask you for the passcode. You type in the passcode, and then the chat is removed from the locked chat option. So that's how to do it. Very simple, very easy, not too so complex. Thank you.